Hello, everybody. This is Tawny Vance, and welcome to my Hangout on Air. Hope everybody's having a good night. I'm here to do my presentation on my portfolio project, and I'd like to start out with sharing a quote. And the quote is going to be by Steve Jobs, and it says, "Design is not just what it looks like and feels like, design is how it works." And I like this quote just because I think it really parallels with our Communication 130 class in the sense that, we're trying to make our visual projects communicate something mostly by its visual appearance opposed to its copy and what it reads, that we're trying to learn more and how to communicate our projects in a more visual way than from a text way. And so I just think this quote kind of parallels that. But let's get into my slide project or my slide share. And so, excuse me, I'm not really proficient in this this program, so I'm going to do this from my blog. So this is my slide share, and this is my portfolio project, and I'm not sure if anybody else had this, but my first page didn't really fit well. So this is my project page, the cover page. It's TK Designs, and this is the cover to my portfolio. And here's going into my pages, my contact page and my table of contents. And so I decided my first page was going to be my brochure project. It ended up being one of my more favorite projects of the semester. I would say that and probably the magazine cover was some of my more favorite projects. I also really enjoyed the montage. Actually, I had a lot of favorite projects, but in the end, I was really happy with the way that my brochure came out. Here's my photo design, and the magazine project was one of our first projects, and in the end, I kind of just thought it was a fun project and was happy with the way that it came out. And here's my montage project. And the web page. I really enjoyed doing the web page, especially that's something that I'm really hoping to really finesse and finalize as my semesters go on. Because I really want to build my own web-based business, which a lot of you have heard me talk about that. And then the business identity project and my business card and logo. I really enjoy doing the infographic too. It's kind of disappointing it's a little bit small when it comes into having to put it into our slide project, but that was a project that I really enjoyed doing. And then the coding project and the Prezi project. Now, I'm not sure how everybody else did it. I ended up putting mine sideways so that they would be larger, but I guess it makes it a little harder for you to kind of see the project. But I definitely learned a lot this semester about just working in Adobe in general, definitely about time management and understanding that the Adobe programs are so different from any other software program I've worked in. I've always felt like I was pretty computer savvy and felt like so far any computer software program I've been in, I've got in very easily and just really been able to learn the programs quick and just jump right in with no hiccups. And I found that Adobe is a much different beast than that, and it's been challenging. I've learned a tremendous amount. I'm super excited about the future classes, but there's been definitely some frustrations, but I'm excited to continue learning and strengthening my skills, because I really want to be able to utilize these programs in the future. I'm planning on starting a web-based business, creating, designing, and selling my own quilt patterns. So definitely Adobe will assist heavily in keeping my web, looking great and updated at all times, and helping me design my quilt designs. And so I'm really looking forward to learning and understanding typography better. So this has definitely been a great class this semester, and I'm super excited about moving on and hoping that I'm going to be moving on with some of the classmates that I've been working with already this semester. A few of us have moved on and seen each other in other classes, and so I'm really looking forward to being able to work with everybody and move on to future classes. And this has been really an amazing class for me. It's been one of my favorite classes, and with my degree, I've loved the format. I've loved what we've learned. I've loved the personal connections that we've had in the media, and I think it's just exciting times of what you can do with Adobe and how artistically creative that you can be with these programs. And so I'm just definitely very inspired by what holds in the future for all of us. And it was really great getting to know everybody, and I look forward to seeing you guys down the line.